everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I'm coming to you all the way from the freezing cold Pryor, Oklahoma. And I'm currently at one of our properties, the park at 1220. So in the background right there, you can see that is a set of apartments. And a little bit in the distance, you can see that the building back there looks smaller. And that's because that is a plex style building. So this property in particular has a variety of apartment style buildings and quadplexes. And the quadplexes actually are what I'm here to talk to you about today. So what I want to chat about is discovering kind of some hidden values or different ways to create value at your property. So one particular way that we are adding value to this property is actually all has to do with everything with the land that I'm standing on. So this is on the exterior of the property as a whole. There's a big chunk, and what we are going to do is that we are going to actually develop 2 more quadplexes here. So they are going to be 3 bedrooms. Actually, where I'm standing right now is where the parking lot is going to go. And so something that you may be wondering is okay, well, you have apartment style buildings and you have quadplexes. Why are you going to do just more quadplexes? When with apartment style buildings, you can have more doors. Well, the city of Pryor advised us that in order for us to have the green light in order to develop, we needed to have enough parking spots because parking is a problem at a lot of apartment communities. And so we are super excited to be able to start that process. The whole idea actually started in October of 2021. And then we had been working with an architect to draw the plans. Then we had to submit approvals and permits through the city, and they have all gotten approved. And now we are working with the lender to start financing, and it's just super exciting. We're really excited to do that. So we hope that we will start to break ground here in the next couple months. And during that process, I will be back in Tulsa and giving you more updates as well. But I am walking over across the field, as you can see now, right? I used to be on the other side, just so that you can kind of get a glimpse. Now we have a different view of the apartment style building. And then here is the quadplex behind me. So it's gonna be super exciting. Literally right where I am, I'll go this way. We're gonna add one. There is going to be plenty of room between the 2 buildings, believe it or not. And we will do another one. I'll kind of get over there a little faster. But we are going to have another one right over here. So it's just super exciting, and we're gonna be able to add ADA compliant apartments because those people are often overlooked, and so we're happy to supply apartments to individuals who need that kind of compliance. And it's just super cool, right? Because this area especially needs more housing because of our Mid-America Industrial Park. And so we're happy that we can help at least with 4 more units, 4 more 3 bedrooms. And it then gives us a little taste into development to see what that's just learn the whole process so that we can grow and get bigger and bigger. But yeah, so that's one way to just find hidden value, to be able to increase the hidden value at a property. This space was being unutilized since it was built. In the middle of the property, there's a huge green space for the kids. They play there all the time. And so it's cool that we can now utilize this extra space and bring more housing to the area. But that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button and ring that bell so that you get notified when we come out with more videos. So until next time, explore more, adventure awaits. Woo!